Are you worried someone might access your Dropbox files after you leave a shared computer? Here's exactly how to log out in seconds. We'll walk through the simple steps. Go to Dropbox, sign in, click your profile, and sign out. Let's start. First, open your browser and head over to the main Dropbox website. You'll want to make sure you're on the official site, the one that starts with Dropbox.com. This keeps everything secure and make sure you're logging out of the right place. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and password here. Now I know this part feels obvious, but here's a really common pitfall. If you're on a shared or public computer, make sure you do not check the box that says "Keep me signed in" or "Remember me." That little checkbox is what causes you to stay logged in after you close the browser, and it's exactly the problem we're trying to solve today. So type in your credentials and go ahead and sign in. Now that you're in your account, look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a small circle or square with either your profile picture or your initials inside it. That's your profile icon, and it's your gateway to account settings. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click that icon, a drop-down menu will appear with several options. This is what we call the account menu, and it lists things like your name, your email address, and different settings. You're not going to need any of that right now, though. What you're looking for is near the very bottom of that list. Scroll down or just let your eye travel to the bottom of the menu, and you'll see an option that says Sign Out, or in some versions, Log Out. It might be gray text or it might be a small button. Either way, click that option. And here's the thing. Once you click it, there's no "Are you sure?" pop-up. It just happens immediately, so make sure you're ready. After you click Sign Out, the page will refresh, and for a few seconds it might look like nothing is happening. Just wait a moment while Dropbox processes the request. You'll know it worked when the screen changes and you see a login page again, usually with a space to enter your email and password. Sometimes it takes you to a general Dropbox homepage instead, but either way, the important thing is that you are no longer logged in, and that's it. You've successfully logged out of Dropbox. If you want to be extra safe, you can close the browser window entirely. That way, even if someone picks up that computer right after you, there's no trace of your account left behind. No access to your files, your photos, or anything sensitive. You can now feel confident walking away from that shared or public computer knowing your Dropbox is secure. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more quick tech tips like this one. Thanks for watching.